Zhejiang Yongkang MRY Industry and Trade Company Limited, old name Yongkang Wonderful Electric Appliance Factory, or established in 2011. We are located in the center of China, Yongkang City of Zhejiang Province, covering an area of 7,000 square meters and owns 70 staffs, including professional designers, senior engineers, technicians, and experienced workers. We are specializing in various beauty hairdressing appliances and personal care products, mainly professional hair clipper, rechargeable clipper, pet grooming kit, mini hair trimmer, and electric foot pedicure. Owning a number of advanced equipment, has equipped development lab, strict implementation of ISO 9001 quality system. And we have a team of dedicated staff members, powerful capability of technology, stable quality products, and very competitive pricing level. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a good reputation among our customers because of our perfect services, quality products, and competitive prices. We guarantee that every model meets the internationally recognized CEGS quality standards. At the same time, we have also designed and developed our own brands in response to customer feedback. Kiru, MRY. The main export markets are Europe, North America, South America, Middle East, and other regions. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. We members of MRY are resolved to be together with customers to forge ahead into the future all over the world.